Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 13th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Applied Materials. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Applied Materials has just released their fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record annual revenues to strategic positioning in the semiconductor market.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Applied Materials reported a quarterly revenue of $6.80 billion, which is a 3% decrease year over year. However, they achieved a record annual revenue of $28.37 billion, up 4% from last year. John, how does this impact their profitability?
Despite the quarterly dip, Applied Materials' annual performance is impressive. Their quarterly GAAP EPS rose by 14% to $2.38, while the non-GAAP EPS was $2.17, slightly below the forecasted $2.11. This indicates strong profitability, driven by operational efficiencies and strategic market positioning.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.11 based on a survey of 10 analysts. Applied Materials reported an actual non-GAAP EPS of $0.27. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance relative to expectations?
This is a positive surprise for investors. Beating the forecasted EPS suggests that Applied Materials is managing its costs effectively and capitalizing on its market opportunities, particularly in the semiconductor sector, which is seeing robust demand due to AI and advanced technologies.
Strategic initiatives and market positioning. Applied Materials is strategically positioned in the semiconductor market. How are they leveraging AI adoption and their R&D investments to maintain their market leadership?
CEO Gary Dickerson highlighted that AI adoption is a significant growth driver. The company is investing in R&D to develop faster and more energy-efficient technologies, which will support their leadership in leading-edge logic and DRAM. They are preparing for increased demand in the second half of 2026, which bodes well for future growth.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operational efficiencies seem to be a key theme. With a gross margin of 48% and an operating margin of 25.2%, how is Applied Materials positioned for the next fiscal year?
The company is optimizing its operations, which is reflected in their strong margins. For Q1 FY2026, they forecast a revenue of $6.85 billion and a non-GAAP EPS of $2.18. This guidance suggests confidence in their ability to navigate market challenges and capitalize on growth opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, Applied Materials has delivered a strong performance with record annual revenue and a non-GAAP EPS that beat expectations. Their strategic focus on AI and R&D positions them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Applied Materials' impressive results and future prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Applied Materials' performance in the comments below.